In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zoom and install it on your laptop. This process is quick and straightforward, perfect for anyone looking to start using Zoom for virtual meetings, webinars, or just catching up with friends and family online. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your internet browser of choice and head over to the official Zoom website at zoom.us. Once the homepage loads, look for the link labeled Download in the menu at the top of the page. Clicking on Download will take you to the Zoom Download Center. This is where we can access all the necessary files to get Zoom up and running on your machine. In the Download Center, you'll find a section titled Zoom Client for Meetings. This is the application you need to download to your laptop to join Zoom calls. Simply click the Download button located under this section. Your download will begin, and depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your browser's download tray or your computer's downloads folder. It's typically called something along the lines of zoominstaller.exe, especially on Windows. On a Mac, you'll look for a similar file format. Double-click on this file to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will pop up and guide you through the whole setup process. Usually, it's as simple as following the prompts and clicking Next as you go along. Occasionally, it will require administrator approval, so be prepared to enter your password if prompted. Don't worry, it's mostly just a few clicks before you're ready to go. After the installation finishes, it's time to launch Zoom for the first time. You can do this by clicking on the Zoom icon that now appears on your desktop or in your Applications folder. When you open Zoom, you'll be greeted with the main login screen. If you already have a Zoom account, just enter your credentials and sign in. But if you're new to Zoom, no worries. Creating an account is simple and only requires a few minutes of your time. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Zoom on your laptop. Now you have everything you need to connect with others using this versatile platform. Whether for business, school, or just keeping up with loved ones, Zoom is a fantastic tool to stay connected in our increasingly digital world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tutorials and tips. Have a great day.